Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are joining us. This is the Church Multimedia Creative Channel, and today we'll be discussing on Audacity, a DAW software. What is a DAW? A DAW is a digital audio workstation. So now, a digital audio workstation is an audio production software or platform designed for the recording, editing, mixing, and mastering of digital audio device. And today we'll be dealing on one of the known DAWs that we have, which is Audacity. For those who don't have Audacity, you can go to your browser and type Audacity, and we'll search, and this is it, the first one here, Audacity. So you could visit the website and download one of the Audacity. We have Audacity 3.5 installed with no extra, and Audacity with free effect and sample. So you could download anyone and install. Easy to install. So I'm going to be opening my Audacity here. I think I've opened it before. So yeah, this is my Audacity. And so basically what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be learning how to record with Audacity. Okay, so before we go into recording, we'll just go through the menu bar we have here. We have the file, which contains the new, that's to open a new track. Open a track. We have the recent work done. You can close, you can save a project. You can export, in this export, that's why we can export audio, you can export others, you can also import audio, and that's that about that. We have the edit section and the rest of sections, but basically today we'll just be focusing on the recording. So now, what do we need to record, or what are the equipment we need to record? So you need to have sound entering into your system. You could use a sound card. You could use your USB audio interface, or if your system has a microphone port, you could just plug in a cable into your system. So now I'm going to go to audio setup. So now in my audio setup, I have my playback device. That's let's say I'm done recording, how I want to hear my audio back. We have the recording device. That's the input of which you are going to record. So I'm going to be using this cable out for today. So if you want to record mono or in stereo, so I'll be recording in stereo. Please, as we do this recording, please take note of some things as I'll be explaining. So now, as we are recording, take notice of our recording level. I'm going to increase it. Now, notice it is not having so much effect because I've regulated the audio coming in from my device. So take for instance, let's say I boost the audio of my device that's coming from my mixer. So if you take notice of this audio coming in, you notice I'm making sure my volume is not going more than minus 18 thereabouts. So you might want to ask why. So I'm going to take my record volume to 100. So now if you notice my microphone strength, I'm not letting it pass minus 18 or minus 12. This is because I want to get a clean and quality output. Please note, when your audio goes to minus 6 or above, you tend to get distortion because the sound becomes too loud. On a normal sound scale, your unity point is 18. So once your sound begins to pass minus 18 or begins to get to the yellow amber, it means your sound is going way too loud, and it's going to affect when you want to probably master or cut out the pastor sermon from your recording. So the best way is to make sure you have it at minus 18. And Before we go, we're going to be playing this to actually listen to it and know how it sounds. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording now. And I'm just going to play.
Far back in UCH. So, and this woman was like a supervisor where all the MPH students had their program. So we lost contact. That was in 2005. But sometimes in 2008, I went to Niger State to go and do something. And I met her. Oh, and when I saw her,
and as you can hear it's clear, though we have some noise on the background, but when we come to mastering, we could do noise reduction. But the main aim is to show you how clear your recording can be if you work according to your recording level scale that we have here, making sure your recording is not going more than minus 18. As you can see, it's not going above minus 18, like getting to minus 7, minus 6. You have a good audio. And that's that for how to record with Audacity. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like, share, and comment. And please put it in practice in your church and let's see what comes out. Hoping to get your reply. Thank you.